You can never have too much money, and you probably need more ways to make extra money during the holidays. If there is ever a money problem during the holidays, it's usually due to lack of it, not the other way around. Need some quick cash for this holiday season? Here are some of our favorite ways to get some. 1. Declutter and sell what you don't need. There are plenty of online platforms that will help you sell items you no longer need. Clothes, books, jewelry, anything and everything can earn you an extra buck, especially if it's in good condition. Consider how many people are trying to find gifts on a budget for the holidays. 2. Become a sitter. Babysitting is an ever-popular option to make quick cash. Busy people often need help with their children, and they could use some extra hands to get more done during the holidays. Becoming a pet sitter is also an option that can add up if you're able to complete multiple drop-in visits while also watching a pet at your home. Luckily, there are plenty of online platforms that allow you to set up the services you wish to offer and your available hours. This makes it easy to connect you to potential clients. Out of all the sitting varieties, house sitting can be the most lucrative. If the owners are going away for the holiday season, they may be willing to spend a nice sum to ensure their house is well taken care of. 3. Complete online surveys. This is becoming an even more popular option nowadays. Multiple companies will pay you to participate in their surveys. You'll want to do a little research to find the best options, but once found, this can be a pretty easy way to make a few extra bucks. 4. Make deliveries. The holiday season tends to be a busy one, especially for small businesses. Ask the local shops in your neighborhood if any of them need help making deliveries. Chances are they do. 5. Helping with stocking shelves. If your local shops don't need orders delivered, they might need help with sorting their stock, at least part-time. Ask to speak with a manager and see if there is anything you can do to help. If you're falling short on rent, utilities, insurance bills, etc., Payday Loans Online can help bridge the gap between your paychecks. To qualify for a payday loan, you'll need a government-issued ID proving you're over 18, proof of income, and a blank check for an active checking account in your name. Once you have these requirements, you can easily get started at home by submitting the online form for a payday loan. You will need to visit one of our convenient locations with the required materials to complete your application. If approved for a payday loan, you'll get the money the very same day or the following business day. Visit our website or give us a call toll-free to get the fast holiday cash you need today.